animal, thing, feeling, process, and expression, etc.
Emotions and ideas. Perfect.
Idea.
Okay. Noun is also called as the naming word, and it is what? Name of any person, place, animal, thing. This we already know. The most important thing is name of all the process, emotions, feelings, and ideas. This is also known as a noun. So we have discussed the types of noun. Who will tell me? Chitra knows. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Yes, Pooja, you want to talk?
ma'am, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun.
Okay, so let us pick on Bhumika. Unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhumika, could you please give me a one example of each type? Common noun
Ma'am,
is?
ma'am, common noun. Ma'am, जैसे school
Okay.
and
So school
office.
is the example of a common noun. Common noun is what? Name of any person, place, animal, thing is known as common noun. Okay. Can you give me a proper noun? Example of a proper noun.
Ma'am, जैसे ताजमहल,
Sorry?
मालवीय कॉन्वेंट स्कूल.
Yes. Malviya Convent School is a proper noun, a special name given to one particular school. So Malviya Convent School is a proper noun. Can you give me an example of a collective noun?
Ma'am, a bunch of keys.
A bunch of bees is called what?
A bunch of keys.
Acha, a bunch of keys. Okay. But what is a bunch of bees called? Any idea?
Hive.
No, beehive is the place where bees live. The collection of bees is known as swarm. 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 That is called swarm. Can you give me one example of material now?
Ma'am, gold.
Okay. So we have taken gold as a material. So the sentence would be ornaments are made up of gold. So gold is a material noun. What is an example of an abstract noun?
Sincerity and determination.
Sorry?
Ma'am, sincerity, determination.
Sincerity, is that what you say? Okay. Sincerity is a abstract noun. Perfect. So if I give you all sentence, then you would be able to give me the noun. Okay, Chitra, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
On the base, what is the differentiation we have done of noun on the basis of numbers?
Countable and uncountable noun.
Okay, so we have said that few nouns which we can count are called countable nouns and which we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. Chitra, could you please give me example, one example of countable and uncountable nouns?
Ma'am, countable noun like pen.
Pens, yes, you can count the pen, yes, and uncountable?
Noun here.
Sorry?
Uncountable noun here.
Here, okay, perfect. And then we have further divided countable nouns into singular and plural. Singular means only one item, only one thing, only one emotion, only one person. And more than one thing is called plural. It could be two, it could be three, it could be many. Can you, Pari, unmute yourself? And could you please give me an example? Unmute Pari Garg. Could you please give me one example of singular and plural nouns?
Singular का मैम pencil and plural का pencils.
Okay, perfect. So what we have done here, what is the change in the spelling? Pencil and pencils. What is the difference in the spellings? What do we add here?
Yes.
MS.
S.
S. Okay, so this much we have done in our previous two classes. Any idea? Any doubt? We have also done 4 exercises, C1, C5, C6 and C2. If there is any doubt, quickly raise your hand. Do not raise your hand for answers. Asta, you have a doubt? If you have any doubt in any of the exercises or any of Anushka, yes, what is the doubt? What is the doubt, Anushka? Speak up.
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm rubbing this board. This much work should be there in your copies. And 4 exercises in your grammar workbook, as well as these exercises in your grammar copy. I believe everyone is aware of what kind of copy we are supposed to make for a grammar. The side sliding copies, the landscape pages. Okay, we have also learned that we can convert singular to plural by adding. First category I have said by adding s, only s. Now give me an example in which singular nouns are converted into plural noun by just adding s.
Ma'am, school.
Ma'am, book.
Unmute yourself, Sakshi Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, book.
Okay, so you will help me in understanding. Book you are saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Book is converted into plural by making books. This also comes into the 6th point. 6th point is when we have a vowel, then O or double O. In that case, we simply add S. And in 7th point, I've told you that if we have consonant, then O or double O, then how do we convert? इसमें क्या आ जाता है?
Yes.
Yes, perfect. Yes. Give me an example of a noun which has O before after consonant.
Ma'am,
Give me an example.
Can I?
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
Yes, please.
Ma'am. Box.
Ma'am, leave.
Leaf does not have O at the end.
Ma'am, hero. Can you repeat 3 point? Ma'am, can you repeat point 2 exercise?
Ma'am, hippo.
Pooja, wait, and you are not supposed to ask unless and until I give you permission. I hope you will behave today better. Varsha, unmute yourself. Varsha, quickly unmute yourself. Not responding. Asta, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Asta. So what will the spelling of heroes would be?
HEROES.
Yes, we are adding ES. So we are not removing O. Simply we are adding ES after it to become plural. Now in the second case, we have said that in the words, in the nouns which are having S, double S, CH or SH or even X, then we convert plural by adding ES. Couple of students have raised hand. Varsha, not responding. Dave, unmute yourself.
Respond.
Strong classes.
Classes, perfect. So example is class because it has double S in it. So what would be the spelling of classes?
CLASSES.
Very good. Could you help Dave? Help me in one more point.
Yes.
Point number 3, we have said that if there is a consonant plus Y, then what would we do? We first of all subtract Y. Y हटा देते हैं और क्या ऐड कर देते हैं? देव, could you please tell me?
Y हटाते
Yes. Sorry?
ES. No,
ES, madam. IES.
ES.
Okay, for those who have not remembered what a consonant is, सारे अल्फाबेट्स में से अगर हम वॉवल को माइनस कर दें, वॉवल क्या है? A, E, I, O, U. अगर हम सारे अल्फाबेट्स में से इन वॉवल्स को हटा देंगे, तो रेस्ट ऑफ द अल्फाबेट्स आर नथिंग बट कॉन्सोनेंट्स. सो एग्जांपल बताइए देव, कॉन्सोनेंट प्लस Y.
Consonant plus Y. Sky. Fly.
Fly is a okay, ठीक है, let us do fly. FLY. यहाँ Y से पहले L है. L हमारे वॉवल्स में नहीं आता है, तो वो हो गया कॉन्सोनेंट. So what would be the spelling of flies?
FLIES.
Perfect. FLY हटा दिया और IES ऐड कर दिया. Very nice. Thank you. Mute yourself. Let's give somebody else a chance. Rhythm, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Could you please help me in identifying two plurals? First of all, fourth point, when there is a vowel plus Y, then what happens?
Vowel plus Y, ma'am. S.
We add only
Right
S.
and then S लगा देते हैं.
We add only S. Y is not removed. Give me an example, Rhythm.
Ma'am. Key. Key.
K-E-Y.
Key.
K-E-Y key is turned into, what is the spelling of
Key.
key?
K-E-Y-S.
K-E-Y-S. यहाँ ध्यान रखेंगे, we have not removed Y and we have simply add S. Why? Because we have vowel in front of Y. So ध्यान रखेंगे हम Y से पहले क्या आ रहा है? Here in this case it was L, which was not a vowel, but here we have E. E is a vowel. So we do not remove Y, we simply add S to it. Perfect. Rhythm, one more example, could you help me? Fifth
Yes.
point, when we have F or FE, what do we convert F and FV?
Ma'am, S or ES.
No, wrong. We convert, we remove this F and we form
Nine.
what will be? Minus करेंगे हम
I-V-E-S. I-V-E-S.
I नहीं आता. Only we will add VES. For
Okay.
example, find a noun which end with F or FE.
Knife. K-N-I-F-E. Knife.
K-N-I-E-F.
Ma'am,
K-N-I-E-F
गलत
knife
लिखी है.
we convert into
मैम आपने स्पेलिंग गलत लिखी है. मैम इट इज F-E.
sorry. K-N-I-F-E. Now what it will turn into?
Ruler. K-N-I-V-E-S. K-N-I-V-E-S.
Now we have removed this and we have added
V-E-S.
only VES. I तो initial spelling में था ही. We just have to add VES. Thank you. Please mute yourself. Sakshi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have already converted into O and consonant plus O and vowel plus O. We have already done this. So we'll do the 8th point when we change the inside spelling. There are a couple of nouns when we change the spellings. Can you give me an example?
Ma'am, goose.
Okay. I hope it is visible. Okay, example is goose, G-O-O-S-E. It is converted into
Geese.
spelling
G-E-E-S-E.
G-E-E-S-E. यहाँ पे ध्यान देंगे कि हमने प्लूरल बनाने के लिए स्पेलिंग के अंदर चेंजेस किया है। GOO को हटाकर हमने बना दिया GEE। And the ninth point was when we add EN or REN to convert into plural. Can you give me an example?
EN or REN.
Child is a singular. CHILD. Child is a singular word. It means one child. When we convert child into plural, what it does? It become?
Children.
Very good. Child becomes children. So what we have added? Give me the spelling.
CHILDREN.
Perfect. So we have added REN. For example, ox, then we add EN. So to convert, sometimes we add, change the spelling within the word. Sometimes we add something to the initial one. And the last, and 10th point was compound nouns. Compound noun का example बताएंगे?
Compound nouns.
Mother-in-law is a compound noun. So what would be the spelling?
MOTHERINLAW.
Mother-in-law. This is called a compound noun where dash से जोड़कर हम एक word बनाते हैं. अब मुझे इसको plural करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे? Laws बनाएंगे या mothers बनाएंगे?
Ma'am, mothers.
Mothers-in-law. जब इसको plural करा तो हमने क्या करा? Mother में s जोड़ दिया. Laws में जो s नहीं जोड़ा हमने, mother में s जोड़ दिया. Okay, there are a couple of nouns. Thank you. Please mute yourself. Last chance for one any student. Last chance I'm giving to Palak. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Palak, give me an example where there is no change in the spelling of singular or plural. No change at all.
Ma'am, sheep.
Perfect answer, Palak. Sheep is used in plural as well as in the singular form. So this much we have already done. Let me just quickly thank you all for sharing. Please lower down your hands if you have no question. Now we'll look into the document. If there is only, please raise when you have any questions only. I have done participation and revision also. So if there is no doubt in previous exercise, let us just quickly move. We have discussed this. Couple of hands are still raising. Please raise your hand only and only if you have doubt. We have discussed this also. And C2 exercise, which we have done yesterday. All right, so today we'll do some other exercise. Yes, Chandani, unmute yourself. Chandani, you have raised your hand. Do you have any doubt?
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम ये पूछ रही थी 3 में क्या करना है तो समझ में नहीं आई थी.
क्या समझ में नहीं आया बेटा? Please repeat your question. There is no option for chat box. Please repeat your question, Chandani. Unmute yourself. Sujal, unmute yourself.
मैम.
Yes, beta.
मैम आपने जो अभी एक्सप्लेन किए थे वो 11 पॉइंट्स वो कॉपी में भी लिखना है?
Yes, beta.
ओके मैम.
These points we have discussed yesterday. Take a screenshot for those who have not.
मैम आया मैम मुझे 3.2 एक्सरसाइज की आंसर चाहिए.
हाँ ठीक है. You want C2 explanation? I'll do it again. No problem. Riddham, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your query?
मैम मैं आपको पहले बताना भूल गई. मैम आई एम वंशिका कन्वर. मैम दिस इज मैम रीनेम नहीं हो रहा मेरा नेम.
Okay, so in case this please enter with the correct name. This time I have noted down. Don't worry, I'll mark your attendance. Okay, Pooja, what is your query?
Ma'am, please explain C2 assignment again.
Try to listen when I say this in class. I've already answered this in the previous question. So pay attention in my class, Pooja. I've already said I will explain C2 again. Do not ask the same questions again and again. Nirbhay, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो बेटा.
मैं एक बार वो वापस दिखाओ ना वो rules.
What is your query?
My query is, मैम वो जो rules है ना वो वाले.
Yes, I have explained in the last class also, and if time permits, I will show it again. Otherwise, go to my YouTube channel, pause it there, and you can see them and note it down. Last question I'm taking, Yuvraj, unmute yourself. Quickly ask your question, beta.
मैम आपने अटेंडेंस हमारी मार्क कर दी.
हाँ जी, कर दी. I've taken the screenshot. Dave, what is your query?
Ma'am, that as or yes we have to do in copy also.
All the exercises you're supposed to do in your workbook plus your grammar copy.
Okay.
Thank you. So enough of the questions. Lower down your hands. Now let me just quickly explain the exercises. Today we have to do 2 more exercises. So C2 में क्या करना है? We have to read the question. We have to find out the nouns first. And then we have to make 2 columns. First for countable nouns and second for uncountable nouns. Lower down your hands. I'm not taking questions right now. After the lecture, you can ask. So first of all, in workbook, what you have to do, you have to underline the nouns. And then there is space given in the end of the page where you make a table where you are supposed to write the countables as well as uncountable noun. In the first sentence, flies, sweets, sail. There are 3 nouns. And sail is the uncountable noun. So flies and sweets are countable noun. In second sentence, cattle and cow herd and canal. There are 3 nouns again in the second sentence, and all the 3 are countable nouns. In the third sentence, Samsung and appliances are 2 nouns, and Samsung is uncountable noun. Only appliances are countable. Fourth sentence, children, bunches, leaves, flowers. There are 4 nouns in the fourth sentence. All of them are countable nouns. Last sentence, fifth sentence, woman, issue, water, well. There are 4 nouns, and issues and water are uncountable noun, whereas woman and well are countable nouns. So in the copy also, you will do the same thing. Write down all the sentences, underline the nouns, and make 2 columns of countable and uncountable nouns. Write what is countable and what is uncountable. Do you have any doubt in C2 before we move to the next exercise? Okay, now we are talking about genders. We all know that on the basis of gender, we can divide noun into 4 categories. Masculine noun, what is masculine noun? All the things that refers to male members or male category is called as masculine. Example, servant, man, boy, father. In case of feminine noun are the noun words which refer to the female member or female category of nouns. Example, duck, queen, lady. It could be human being, it could be a animal also. So that is the feminine gender. What is the common gender? Common gender is the gender which is common to both male and female. Examples could be doctor, parent, child, or any profession that could be common to all. In the fourth case, neuter. Neuter gender is for non-living things, which is common. It is not male, it is not female. Both of them are not there, and it is a non-living thing. Then examples are brush, stone, table. So masculine is which refer to male. Feminine is which refer to female. Common gender is which are both male and female. Neuter gender is also no female, no male, but it is for non-living things. So neuter gender is not for a person, it is for things. So let us just quickly, this is this neuter gender. And 95 and 96, page number. Like this. Masculine is all male, feminine is all female, common is used for both male and female, and neuter is for non-living, and no male female division is there. Now ways of forming gender. अब gender में भी changes कैसे होते हैं? The first way of changing gender, this should be in your copy as well. First way of changing gender is what? We simply add ESS. Simply add ESS. So the lion become lioness and host become hostess. Pooja, lower down your hand. After the discussion, I will take questions. Second point is compound noun. We have already seen compound noun. Milkman is a mixture of two nouns. So it is milkman को MAN को कैसे change कर दिया? Maid बना दिया. We have not changed the word milk. We have just changed the gender of man. So man की जगह maid आ गया. Just like peacock becomes peahen. Now their third category, there are different words given for female type and male type. For example, feminine of son is a daughter, and feminine of a king is a queen. Now look into the exercise C3. In the exercise C3, we have done, there are a couple of things written in the bracket. Some are plurals, some are genders. So you have to give the correct answer. Since there is no chat box option, so I will give you the answers. In the first sentence, some man stood at the bus stop waiting for the bus to come. Now the pronunciation of MAN is also man and MEN is also man. So we have to convert, we have to do the changes in the spellings. So the first answer क्या होगा? MEN, men. In the second point, the officer commanded the dash to start marching. Bracket में देखिए क्या instruction है? Plural of soldier. Plural of soldiers. So क्या हो जाएगा? Plural of soldier is nothing but soldiers. We have to simply add S. So the spelling is soldier plus S. That becomes the plural. Third sentence देखिए. The popular dash Sudha Chandran had met with a serious accident in her heydays. Hey means क्या होता है? Heydays is happy time. When she was in the peak of her career, she had an accident and she lost one foot. Below the knee, the foot has to be cut down because of the accident. But she still did not lose hope. It's a true story, and she continued her dancing with a artificial foot. It is also known as Jaipur foot because only Jaipur used to develop this artificial limbs like hands and legs. So it was famously known as Jaipur foot. So she used the Jaipur foot and she became a renowned dancer once again, even after losing her one leg. Okay, so in the bracket it is written noun form of dance. A verb क्या है? Dance है. उससे noun कैसे बनाएंगे हम? We will simply add R. So the word becomes the popular dancer. Simply add R. Fourth sentence. Two dash swam leisurely along the edge of the pond. अब ये क्या कह रहे हैं? Masculine of ducks. Duck is a female noun. So what would be the masculine of duck? Would be drakes. Spelling different है इसमें. DRAKES. Two drakes swarm leisurely. Leisurely का मतलब क्या होता है? आराम से, तसल्ली से. So the answer is drakes. DRAKES. In the fifth sentence, we have employed a dash at our house to cook for us. यहाँ पे लिखा ब्रैकेट में female domestic help. So what is a female domestic help? Not servant would be a male domestic help, and the female would be maid. MAID. Maid is the answer. Sixth, देखिए, a large number of dash are sacrificed on Eid every year. Bracket देखिए, plural of goat. So what would be the spelling of goats? We will simply add S. The large number of goats. Seventh sentence. Humans are blessed with two dash to perform daily task. इंसान के पास क्या है? दो हाथ है अपना काम करने के लिए. Now, अब दो ऑप्शंस दे रखे हैं, हमें इन दोनों में से एक चूज करना है. We will choose the plural form because we have given two. So the answer would be arms. ARMS. Eighth sentence देखिए. Dash is added to tea to make it taste sweet. अब यहाँ पर हमें uncountable material noun लिखना है. We all know that uncountable noun क्या आएगा? टी में क्या डालेंगे sweet बनाने के लिए? Sugar. So sugar is a uncountable and material noun also because sugar is added to the tea. So it is a material noun as well as it is a uncountable noun. It is possible that a single noun could be of two categories. Ninth देखिए. In some Indian weddings, the groom rides a dash to reach his bride. कई इंडियन वेडिंग्स में घोड़े पे बैठ के दूल्हा जाता है अपनी शादी में. अब ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फीमेल हॉर्स. तो फीमेल हॉर्स क्या होता है? मेयर. MARE. 10th देखिए. The dash of two countries of the world seldom have the same national language. अब ये कह रहे हैं कि दो कंट्रीज में ऐसा बहुत कम होता है कि सेम लैंग्वेज हो. सेल्डम मतलब बहुत कम. सेम नेशनल लैंग्वेज हो ऐसा दो कंट्रीज में बहुत कम होता है. तो ब्रैकेट में दे रखा है प्लूरल ऑफ पीपल. वी ऑलरेडी नो दैट पीपल इज अ प्लूरल वर्ड. सो प्लूरल वर्ड का प्लूरल तो बन नहीं सकता. सो पीपल का प्लूरल पीपल ही रहेगा. सेम स्पेलिंग. 11th point. Your dash of English words is not satisfactory. यहाँ पर हमें pronouns verb का noun बनाना है. Pronouns होता है बोलने का तरीका. So उसका word क्या हो जाएगा? Pronunciation. So the answer for 11th point is pronunciation. Your pronunciation of English. 12th देखिए. My mouth began to water on seeing dash being sold. जैसे ही मैंने वो बिकते हुए देखी मेरे मुंह में पानी आ गया. क्या बिकते हुए देखा हमने? Plural of cherry. Now in this case we have to remove Y and add IES in front of it. So the word becomes cherries. Cherries के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ा? Y हटा के IES लेना पड़ा. 13th point. Data is the dash of datum. डेटम होता है सिंगुलर, प्लूरल होता है डाटा. तो हमें पता है डाटा क्या है? डेटम का प्लूरल. सिंगल डाटा को हम डेटम बोलते हैं. सो प्लूरल इज द आंसर. 14th देखिए. हॉरर मूवीज अबाउंड इन घोस्ट एंड. किस चीज से बनी होती है भूतों की पिक्चर? घोस्ट होती है और विचेस होती हैं. फीमेल ऑफ विजार्ड इज विचेस. WITCHES. The black, last point, the black dash of and white dash presented a very pretty picture together. पहले बॉक्स में आएगा female of ox हो जाता है cow, और सेकंड बॉक्स में है masculine of goose. goose का masculine क्या होता है? This is a separate word called ganger. 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 Now raise your hands if you have any question in exercise C3. Quickly raise your hands. Yes, Pooja, unmute yourself. You always have a question.
Oh, ma'am, we have to write ways of forming gender in notebook or not?
I've already explained this. Try to listen into my class carefully. Write the explanation which I've just shown. Definition of 4 types of noun in case of when we divide it into the basis of gender, plus explanation in one line and two examples of each, plus exercise C3. Yes, is there any doubt? There were a couple of hands raising between the class when we were discussing. Yes, Palak, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, can you show that again, the definitions and the 4 parts of a gender noun?
Yes, sure. Please go through the books. It is the same thing. Like whatever written in the book, the first bold line, by gender of nouns, we means the state of being male, female, neither or both. There are 4 categories of noun: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. Now give one line example, just like we have done for the types of noun, and 2 examples. Any 2 example of your choice: masculine, feminine, common. Quickly take a screenshot if you do not have a book right now. And any other question, quickly raise your hand. And this one is for neuter gender. Any other question before we end our class? I will not be repeating it again. So today's homework is write down the detail of types of, yes, Ujal, unmute yourself.
मैम
Speak up.
मैम एक्सरसाइज C3 में 3rd और 4th का आंसर एक बार रिपीट कर दो.
थर्ड आप बताइए, नाउन ऑफ डांस क्या बनेगा? You tell me. What will be the answer? Noun of dance would be?
मैम डांस.
Dancer. Dance is a verb, dancer is a noun. And in 4th, masculine of duck is drakes. D-R-A-K-E-S. Any other doubt? You have another teacher. The time is up. Quickly raise your hand if you have any doubt, big or small. Quickly. I will not be repeating exercise C3 again. So today's homework is write down the difference of differentiation of noun on the basis of gender. Give example of all the 4 one line definition and two example of all the 4 types. 4 types are masculine, feminine, common, and neuter gender. Plus you have to write C3 exercise. Do the C3 exercise in the book, in the fill up the blanks, and in case of the copy, write down the whole sentences, underline the word that you have already given. Last chance if you have any class, because your next period has started. Okay then, I'll take your leave. Thank you, sir. Thank you, class. Have a nice day. Please be very, very safe.